I was looking for cash flow at the time. So I ended up connecting with somebody who lived in Texas who was a fix and flip guy. He had done a couple of buy and holds of like 20 units and really wanted to do 50 or 100 unit type properties, but didn't have the ability to raise equity. And so the two of us connected. I was like, I'm surrounded by equity in Boston. My corporate career, I was in higher level positions. I have people that trust me, et cetera. And they're telling me they want to invest. So let's do something together. And that was our first deal. It was 106 units in San Antonio, which we did heavy rehab, and 3 or 4 years later exited with a crazy multiple on. But I would say more relationship driven than anything. And that's still kind of how we invest today too. Is like the person that we're considering partnering with probably matters more than the deal.
100%. Yeah. And it's also easier to find a quote unquote good market to invest in. They're defined. You can just look at the data, right? And I don't think there's
Exactly.
really many secrets around that. I'm speaking very broadly here, but if we're talking about cities or states, like yeah, we could pretty easily define where people are moving to and where companies are starting to grow and build headquarters, et cetera. That's pretty data
Right.
oriented. But to find a great partner, that's obviously much more challenging. To find someone
Right.
who's trustworthy, who you can keep going back to do more and more business with, that's much harder than defining where to invest.